Welcome, here I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effect we have to change it to front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. And here we are. Now let's move up to the right button here to open camera settings, and we have to simply slide a little bit down to find mirror reflection option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.